Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. Today we're going to be going over 30 patterns for coasters that you can make. And some of these would be great for your car, which I just learned was a thing, car coasters. That's brilliant to me. But these patterns are awesome, and some of them absolutely blew my mind. I know I say that all the time, but I know you guys love my pattern finds, and there are some awesome coaster patterns in this video. So let's get right into it. As you can see by the mess, I am getting ready for my next market here in a few weeks. So I am pulling things out, counting out my inventory, and just generally getting ready and trying not to be overwhelmed with it. But the first coaster that I have to show you guys is this one right here. And it's giving me like Beetlejuice vibes. I don't know if that's the same for you, but it's totally giving me Beetlejuice vibes. I think this is great for Halloween, probably even better for like a Halloween party. I mean, I have actually done the spiral before. I made a loaf cat with the spiral, and it's actually a lot easier than you would think to do. So definitely don't be afraid to go try this one out. Don't be intimidated. All right, so this one is rad. Okay, this little skull one, it's totally giving me like medallion vibes, like Pirates of the Caribbean type thing. I would probably do it in gray instead of yellow, maybe even white, but I think it's great for Halloween. So, and it's free. Okay, everybody loves donuts, right? And I thought that these donut coasters were the cutest things ever. And I think that they're like the perfect shape for your car. So I could definitely see these being used in like for like car coasters or whatever. But you can do them in so many different colors because donuts. And so, whatever theme or colors you like, definitely do it in whatever preference you like. And I think they're adorable. I love them. And the strawberry coasters are absolutely cute. They look pretty easy too, and I love the little seeds. I can see these selling definitely, but I love the little V for the seeds. Definitely super cute. I can definitely see these selling as like a pack. So definitely go check these out, and they're free. Okay, and I love this idea. I love the ones that come with like a pot or something to hold them into. It's like all a whole thing. And this cactus idea is just so cute. It looks like it's done in the round, so it's super easy to do. And the little seeds, are those seeds? No, spikes. It's a cactus, not seeds, spikes. They're what do you call them? Needles, spikes, cactus, nettles. I don't know, whatever those are. But I absolutely love this. And I love the pot that it comes into. It's very clever. It's very cute. Go check it out. And I thought this one was awesome. I thought this would be great for like any dad or like any guy. This looks like it would be great in a car too. So you can see this totally in a dude's car. I thought it was really clever. I love it. And this daisy was honestly one of my favorite ones. I love it when they're flat like that. It looks pretty dainty. I think it'd be great for summer. And I think it's done in the rounds. So not the spiral. Oh, wait. It actually might be done in a spiral, not the rounds, is what I meant to say. I would probably do it in a round because if you watch my amigurumi roll video last Friday, you will know that I break all the rules. So if you're on this channel, you'll be breaking rules with me left and right. So go check out this daisy one. I think it's super adorable. And I love this coffee cup one. I think it'd be great for like any like coffee bar. Maybe if you added like a little foam or something, you could even like do like tea bags and use it. But coffee cup, coffee coasters, coffee cup coasters. Adorable. And I love this idea of the suns. It totally gives me like a summer vibe. I think this would be great for like any patio. It has a picture of lemonade. I was just about to say, I think it'd be perfect for like setting your lemonade out there or whatever. It's totally giving me like summer patio lemonade vibes. So it's adorable. Okay, this is our first paid one, and this one is $3. And I love the intricateness of it. It's very minimalistic, and I think this is great for fall. I'm absolutely loving this. I saw this and I just kind of gravitated towards it. Minimalistic, muted tones is not necessarily my vibe, but it does appeal to me in some weird way for some reason, even if I wouldn't use it. It reminds me of my sister. Honestly, I could see my sister using something like this. She's very natural and stuff like that. So definitely a good pattern. And I love the texture, not necessarily the texture, but the intricateness of the pattern. It's not just so uniform and it actually has a cool design to it. Okay, this 3D pumpkin coaster was just too cute. Okay, I love it. I think it's great for fall. I love the little pumpkins. I just absolutely love it. I've seen ones with like them setting up, but I love the flat look better, honestly. And it's still got the 3D aspect to it. Absolutely one of my favorites, and it's free. And everyone has seen these coaster patterns with a little flower pot and they turn in there. I had to include it. I absolutely love it. I think these are like little tulips or whatever. And I love the free pattern. This is honestly one of my favorite ideas for coasters when they come with like a case to put them in. So I had to include it in case you haven't seen this yet, which let me know if you haven't, because I'm pretty sure everyone has seen this. It's absolutely adorable. Love it. Okay, and this one is absolutely gorgeous. It's giving me like Dreamcatcher Native American vibes. I love the texture to it. It's giving me like stained glass vibes too. So I love it. It's very intricate. I am not sure how hard it is to do, but it's absolutely beautiful and gorgeous. And I love the colors. I love everything about this. Okay, this one is $4. And I absolutely love this. Okay. It actually looks like it's a front post, back post double crochet, which it's pretty simple to do. It might look a little bit complicated, but it adds texture to it and just makes it look nice and thicker. I'm not sure how good like a thick one like this would be to lay your cups on, but I love the colors. I mean, these colors are just gorgeous. Okay, and this is the stained glass square. And it is a square, but I was thinking it could totally be used for a coaster. Okay. It's absolutely gorgeous and it is free. And it's just gorgeous. I mean, I couldn't not include it. I guess I could have included this in my Granny Square video that I did, but either way, I am just so glad that I got it out to you guys because it's free and it's gorgeous and could absolutely be used as a coaster. Okay, and these snowflake coasters are great for winter. They're very detailed and intricate. I am not sure how difficult it is, but when I was looking for snowflakes, these are the best ones I found. They're absolutely gorgeous and they're free. Perfect for winter when Christmas is coming and you're decorating your house. This would be great. Okay, oh, okay. Oh my God. Who here is a Friends fan? Okay. And if you, who is your favorite friend? Let me ask that. Okay. Who is your favorite friend? I have to say mine is probably Rachel or Joey. Absolutely. I had the Rachel haircut years ago, but I identify with Joey and his idiotness a little bit. A little bit. Anyways, I absolutely love this. If you know Friends, you know what this is. This is the door. And honestly, I feel like you should add a peephole because that's what it is. I feel like it looks incomplete without a peephole. So if I were to do this, I would probably do like a little black peephole right in the middle. Maybe with like a gray frame. What am I trying to say? Like a frame, like a outline to it? Like, yeah, like a gray outline and a black hole would be perfect. I absolutely love this. It's free. It's so cute. I love it. I want to say this is probably right up there, my top three. Okay, and then this little paw coaster would be great for any dog lover. I have an Aunt Mary that I could totally see using these and loving these absolutely. I'm not sure how difficult it is, but it looks like you can just do the paw. You could do the paw or like the circle around it, either way. But I absolutely love it. I think it's super cute. I have been wanting to know how to do a paw, so I'm probably gonna go check this out. Okay, this one is $3.15. Very patriotic. I love the spiral. It's interesting, and I think it would be great for like any patriotic holiday, like 4th of July, Independence Day. Well, those are the same thing. Like 4th of July, Memorial Day, Veterans Day, Labor Day, honestly. I love the spiral look with the red and white. It's almost giving like candy vibes, but it is definitely interesting and different. It's very patriotic. So if you're having like a gathering with family on any patriotic holiday, definitely go check these out. Okay, and this one is called like the Scandi Snowflake coaster, and I thought it was very interesting. I had to include it. It's very intricate. I love the design to it. It gives it like a texture look, like very minimalistic vibes, but I guess Scandi. So definitely educate me on what Scandi is. Is it Scandinavian? And is this really that? Let me know what you think about this one. I thought it was interesting looking. Okay, and this one is also another one of my favorites, the little moon. And you could even like interchange these with the sun ones maybe and use them both for summer. I am not sure how difficult it is, but I would definitely like maybe pair these up with the sun ones and use them for summer. These were my favorite moon ones. I love the shape. They did a great job on the shape of the moon. I've seen some pretty jacked up moons before, but I think this one's pretty good. Okay, and I absolutely love this watermelon one. I've never seen one like this with the fringe on the sides, and I love it. It's like so brilliant. It's very clever. It almost reminds me of like the little carpet coasters that you've seen, but definitely giving me like summer vibes. And I just love the uniqueness to it. It's very fun. I love it. Okay, and I love these sunflower coasters. I could see these going into a car, definitely giving me summer vibes. I love them. I love the green on the outside, and I love the shape of them. It's not too, simple. It's very cute. I love them. Okay, and these beer mug coasters are $3 and they look super easy. I've seen them. They look like maybe double crochet or maybe half double crochet. It looks pretty simple. But I love the foam that's on top. It's a great touch. I'm actually a little surprised it's paid, but it is definitely worth the price. It's very, very nice. Okay, and then these ones are super cute, and I have to say that they look pretty easy, okay? It looks just a square with the little pom-poms on the end. It's so cute. Be great for like summer or like any like party, like a birthday party. The pom-pom is just such a great little aspect to it. It just makes it. It makes it. Okay, I thought these were hilarious. Okay, these are 350 and I love the idea of this. It's so funny and clever. And it's pretty simple to do the color changes, you know. It might look a little more complicated than you think, but color changing is not that hard. So definitely go check this one out. The sushi, I just like I said, these are hilarious. I love these. I had to include them. Okay, and this one, this half-eaten Pop-Tart is $5. I'm a little surprised at the price of this one, just because of honestly how easy it looks. But I love this idea and I love the red added to it. So it looks like it was actually bitten into. It is so smart. And I'm pretty sure there's no sewing. But yeah, I love the red aspect to it. It actually gives it like that bit into look. Okay, and I think this one would be a great idea for like any birthday party you got coming up, right? So or like maybe even you could make some as like party favors or something. You could do it in any flavor, chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, whatever. Maybe add like a candle to the top instead of the cherry. But either way, I love this. I thought it was absolutely adorable. So if you're having a party and it's going to be all intricate and stuff, maybe do these. Okay, and this is one of the mug rugs, and this is absolutely cute. It looks pretty easy, and I love the look and the concept of mug rugs, right? They're just like little carpets, like little Barbie carpets or something. But I love it. I love the fringe on the end, and these are probably my favorite type of coasters, just because of a mug rug. I mean, it sounds funny, right? But it's adorable, and I love the concept of having like a little carpet for your cup. I think it's so cute. Okay, and this one is another mug rug, and it is totally giving me like minimalistic feels and everything, like a rustic feel. And it looks pretty simple and elegant. And like I said, if the colorful one isn't your style and you want to do like a more natural tones or whatever, this is definitely the way to go. I love this. I do. Like I said, mug rugs are my favorite. It's just a fun concept. Okay, and I thought this one was brilliant. Okay, it is $5.66. It is such an awesome idea. It has the coasters and they go inside the turtle. Like I said, I love coasters where they have a place to go. And it is just so cute. It just, you got to go check this one out. I think this is definitely worth the price. I love this idea. Like I said, I love ones that have a place to go and it could just look like a little turtle sitting there, but it has a purpose. So awesome, awesome pattern. Great idea. I just thank you to the creator for coming up with this idea. It's awesome. And I love this idea for Christmas. You could maybe alternate with like green and red, green and white, and stuff like that. This is not done in a spiral, it's just color changing. It just keeps going up in size. And so they're pretty easy to make. Maybe if you were to make like pot holders to match would be really cute. And honestly, like making matching pot holders is like something you could do for a lot of these coasters. So definitely keep that in mind when you're making these coasters. These would be great for like gifts for Christmas, you know, like a coaster and pot holder set that's handmade, you know, maybe in someone's favorite colors, or if something here just screams like a friend or family member's name, that'd be a great gift. I honestly believe so because I save so much money by just making my own pot holders. And when they get lost, I just make another one. Okay, and I love this cat coaster. I am surprised this one isn't paid. Okay, I love the 3D aspect. I've seen some other ones, but this one was absolutely my favorite. Maybe do it in more natural colors, but either way, I think it's so cute. I love the 3D aspect to it. It is absolutely fun. I could see my sister loving this. Okay, and this one is funny, and I think everyone has seen the cat butt coasters. I tried to make one time, but it came out looking more like a frying pan because honestly, I didn't do the little legs, but I did puff stitch for the legs. And I was like, maybe if I do that between that and the tail, it just looked like a frying pan. So I'd never made one again. But I've also never seen one of these with the head added onto it and the cat just looking at you, you know? So let me know if you end up making this. I thought this was fun and I had to include it. I think you're also supposed to make coasters in cotton yarn, so definitely keep that in mind because they hold the moisture better or something. If someone wants to educate me in the comments on why you're supposed to make coasters in cotton yarn, please do. I think it has something to do with the moisture and keeping their shape and stuff, but I'm not exactly sure, so I would appreciate the education on that. Also, let me know which one was your favorite coaster for sure. I think I'm going to be doing like headrest covers for cars because I've recently seen some that just were so cute, and I think I want to make some for my car. So I'll let you guys know and keep you updated on that. Oh, and one more thing, memberships are now available here on my channel. So let me tell you right now what you will get. So if you want to be a member of the Chain Gang for $2 $4.99 a month. You get loyalty badges, custom emojis to use, and priority replying to comments. So I will reply back to you first. If you want to join the Happy Hookers Club, $5.99, you get everything from the previous level. You also get early access to new videos, member only polls, so you guys have more contributing to my page, and member shout out. So yeah, that's it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And remember, above all else, that Jesus loves you.